Hello everyone, Hillary Stone here and welcome back to another Thriving Thursday. If you're a real estate agent looking for innovative ways to generate leads, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be sharing 13 ways to do just that, ways that you probably haven't heard of. Let's get started. Number 1, prospect old expired listings, especially those in the last 2 years. If everyone is focusing on the new ones, then there's less competition with the old. Number 2, don't just host open houses. Learn to do them differently. The old methods aren't as effective anymore. Add a unique twist to make them stand out, like an immersive virtual tour. It's time to ditch the stale cookies. Number 3, reward your referral sources. Write them a personalized thank you note and include a gift card. You can even drop it off in person. This small gesture can make a big impact on the person receiving it, and they'll definitely remember you the next time they need real estate advice or one of their friends or family does. Number 4, drive around with gifts at the ready. Candy-filled coffee mugs, small bouquets, personalized trinkets, anything that lets your clients know you were thinking of them. So when you're out doing showings and you're close by, just go ahead and drop one off. Number 5, swap out those client appreciation parties for social happy hours. They're less formal, more fun, and a great way to stay on top of mind for your clients. Plus, the less formal setting means clients are more likely to attend or at least be thankful for the invite. Number 6, utilize technology like slide aisle broadcasts. You can do circle prospecting and just sold and open house announcements to the neighborhood. Number 7, network at events unrelated to real estate. Go to some events you actually enjoy. Remember, the best networking happens when you're not selling but actually building relationships. Number 8, write blog posts on micro niche local topics. While ranking for broad local searches is tough, you can rank easily for narrow specific topics. Number 9, offer your expertise to local community forums such as Reddit, Nextdoor, and Facebook, and you can continue to engage with local community just answering their real estate questions, and leads will come naturally. Number 10, drive engagement with Instagram stories and reels. Video content is king now, and the Instagram algorithm is leaning heavily towards rewarding video content that is getting engagement. Number 11, host interactive property seminars. Instead of just talking about home buying or selling, create a hands-on experience for potential clients. Think staging boot camps at a house or renovation ROI seminars. Number 12, offer to host a housewarming party for your new buyers. This gives you the opportunity to meet potential clients in a relaxed atmosphere. Plus, it's a lovely way to celebrate your client's new home, and it's a great thank you gift. Number 13, engage in community service or sponsor local events. Not only will you be helping your community, but you'll also increase your visibility and attract positive word of mouth referrals and actually get to interact with the community. So there you have it, 13 unique ways to generate real estate leads. Try these methods and let me know how they work for you. Don't forget, success comes from persistence and creativity. And as always, continue to practice kindness out there. Have a great Thriving Thursday and a wonderful weekend.